Hey guys, sorry for the bad audio, so I'm going to talk a little loud just to make sure it's clear, but this is what my paleo keto weekly menu of food is for me and my family. I say paleo because I do eat fruit, like grapes. I like these red bananas. Peaches are in season, figs right now. I love these figs. I also eat a lot of grass-fed beef jerky. This is IPA, so I think it's doused in a little bit of beer. So it's like I'm not like 100%, but I'm very close. My family likes to eat these like coconut chips. I have a watermelon here, a green drink for my wife. This is a paleo pancake and waffle mix that's made from almond flour. So lots of fruits and vegetables. And I believe that the keto doesn't do fruit. My coach is a carnivorous keto, or whatever you call it. So he doesn't eat fruit or vegetables. He's just meat, and it's super simple. And I've taken on that ideology to include fruit, but instead of mixing fruit, like I was doing these fruit smoothies with bananas and raspberries and dates, and all this crazy stuff, I just eat one fruit at a time, whatever I'm craving. And I also eat meat, one kind of meat at a time. I'm going to go through this list real quick, close up. A lot of meats up here. I even got some organic, raw, gluten-free kombucha, whatever you call it, beer. I'm going to test that out. Now that's not paleo, that's not keto, kombucha. I'm just going to try it out though and do a review. So without further ado, let me just grab the camera and keep on recording. And I'll just talk this through real quick. But so lots of fruits. I really like organic. It just tastes better. It's a lot healthier when it comes to fruits and vegetables and meats. And here's some duck eggs. That's really good. I don't think it's on autofocus. Let me put this in there. Duck eggs, beef liver. So I'm going to try that with some. It's a little strong for my taste, but my keto coach said to try it with cooking in the same pan as cooking some bacon first. Now this is a really good 5-step steak, Hearst grass-fed beef. The reason why this is really good and really expensive is it's grass-fed their whole life. When you see the grass-fed stuff, it's not grass-fed their whole life. The last few months they give them lots of grains to fatten them up and all that. This is the ingredients, part of the ingredients for a bulletproof coffee that I really I like doing the bulletproof coffee, but I had theirs today and I was like really shocked. There's my kid crying. And then just more meat, lots of meat. And then, so go back. So that's my weekly food schedule, kind of. Make it up as it goes, and we'll see how it goes. But I've been keto paleo for the second keto paleo challenge for a week now. This is day 7, and it's been super easy, partly because of the bulletproof coffee, and also partly because I'm simplifying stuff. So like when I eat meat, I just eat meat. I'm getting a George Foreman kind of grill coming in tomorrow. So I already feel a lot more energy. I know I've lost some weight. I just don't know how much. I'm going to go weigh myself, and then we'll see how it is.